welcome to my channel. First and foremost, congratulations to Carolyn Picanzo, who won the faceted gems. And then go ahead, we're going to have another one in today's video, so make sure, just hit that thumbs up right now. Make sure you're subscribed as well, and I'm going to show you how to make this card. And then all you need to do is tell me in the comments what set this little pink band came from. Alrighty, that's it. And then you're entered to win. Oh, what am I going to give away? Let's see here. Why don't I do some ribbon? This will be textured ribbon in the color Poppy Parade. Alright, let's go ahead and watch the video and see how I make this. Enjoy. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to make another card. We're going to be using the Tasteful Touches, and I'm just going to be using this You Are Special. So that's the only thing we're going to be using there, with the color of Melon Mambo. And then I'm going to use some designer series paper. I chose 3 pieces of paper here, and then the back side here. And you know, I cannot remember the name of these. I'll have to look it up and let you know. But I will put the list in the description box so you can see what they are. And what else do I have? I'm going to be using a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to be using the stitched framelits, the rectangle stitched framelits. And I've got that. My base is going to be Whisper White as well. So I've got that. That is an 8.5 by 11, cut at 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of Melon Mambo, which is a 1/2 inch off of that. So you've got a 1/4 inch off of that. So you've got 4 by 5 1/4. So we've got that. Then I also have a piece here. It's already all done. And I've got that from the Detailed Bands dies. And that's going to be this one right here. And that is also in the Melon Mambo. So I'm going to set these off to the side. Set this off to the side. We're going to get our bone folder. And we're going to burnish this guy down. And that's just going to be our base. Now, with those designer series papers, I cut about 3/4 of an inch off of each one. So you'll see 3/4 of an inch, and then I cut it right in half at 3. So I've got all these different pieces, and remember they were double-sided. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this piece of Melon Mambo and this piece here. I am going to get out my stamp and seal. And I'm going to put some right on the detailed edges. Then I'm going to lay these out here. And they are just going to be laid out a little bit wonky. There we go. See how we like it. And if there's something that you don't care for, switch it around. I am good with that, I think. Yeah. Just looking at the different sides to make sure that's what I want. Oh, see, I think I like this brighter, and so I'm going to put that one there. And I think I like that. Okay. So I know where I want these 2 pieces. So I'm going to line that up right in the middle there. We've got that, and then I'm going to do the same here. Right in the middle. So we've got those two. And then I'm going to do the same with these guys. I'm going to take those middle pieces here, and we're just going to line them up. And then spread them. I'm going to put this here so you can see the background. I'm probably making this much more difficult than need be, but I want them to be nice and straight and spaced properly. And they do not have to be perfectly straight. If you don't want them perfectly straight, they do not need to be perfectly straight. I'm going to take this I am not loving this as of yet. Oh, there we go. Ah, see, that's what I didn't want to happen. And that's why I only have a little bit of tape on there. For that exact reason. But when we flip this over, it's going to be so cute. Look at that. Very cute. I think I like this side better. So I'm going to flip it over. And again here. And then I'm going to take these guys and, oh, this is working much better now. Oh, I'm liking it now. It's working much better. Oh yeah, I like that. So I'm going to straighten these out as much as possible. And then we're going to take it and put it right on here. There we go. And we're going to take that. And we're going to put that on our Whisper White base. Now for our stamping, we're going to take that stitched rectangle, get out our Melon Mambo, I gave myself a little rainbow there. So 2 sides to every paper. There we go, perfect. And then I'm going to take and flip this over get some dimensionals on there. I love that little take your pick tool. I don't think I can say that enough. And then even though this is round, and I do have the round that would fit in there as well, but I really like this square since everything is kind of square. And we've popped that up. And now we're just going to add a little bit of bling here. And we're just going to go with the clear. And there we go. Look at how beautiful and brilliant that is. Quick and easy. And again, I think I made it more difficult. But I've made sure that I'm kind of kept this square. You can have it all cattywampus if you'd like. But there it is, a quick and easy card. And who wouldn't love to receive that? All right, beauties, have a wonderful evening. And I will talk to you later.